Hello, this video is how to make a cotton face mask. Just like the one that I think is right about there. Hello, back again to show you how I make the cotton face mask. I'm actually using an old t-shirt, which is this is a really soft cotton because this is one of the crazy shirts from Hawaii. And I start with this little paper towel. I can't tell you why, but it seems to work like pretty good because I've only made one. This is going to be my second one. I've only made one so far. But I start with this little, just to kind of yeah, I know my lines aren't very good. That's okay. I'm not going to cut it very good either. I'm probably pretty sure about that. Flip this over. Okay, now I'm going to cut this. Like I say, this is only the second one I've ever made, so it's still kind of an exploratory ground for me. And the reason I like the cotton one is because you can wear it once at the grocery store, and when you come home you can toss it in the wash and clean it. The N95 things, I don't know what people do with those because you can't really clean it. And the cotton one is very comfortable and washable. So now that I will have two, after I get done with this one, I will have two, and I can come home from the store, throw one in the wash, and I'll have another one if I have to go to the store again. So that's what I like about the cotton. Comfortable and washable. Okay. Almost done cutting it. And then after that, I will show you the next step. Got this cut, and I would like to have this facing out to the front. I will double this over like that. Yeah, I know it's pretty sloppy. I'm not a seamstress. Anyway, I will sew this and this, which I will be sewing by hand because I do not have a sewing machine. So this is going to take me about an hour. So I will carry on in the next video. I got my sides sewed up by hand. I really didn't think you would want to see me sewing that by hand. I mean, I'm probably the only person left in the world that sews by hand. So I got this done. I'm going to turn it inside out like that. Kind of like a little miniature pillowcase. Yeah, it still looks a little lame, but when we get it all done it'll look okay. Now I like to put in an extra little piece of cotton inside to kind of give it a little extra protection while you're breathing. Kind of like a little homemade filter, I guess. And then what I do, this isn't quite cooperating here too good. Okay, that's better. And I will flip this over, and then I will sew this, and I will come back for the next step. I'm back. I've got the top piece sewed up here. Now when I sew the top piece, that little filter piece that I put in there, I like to sew that in there too, because when you wash it, that holds it in place so it doesn't bunch up in the middle of this thing. Now the only thing I have left to do is sew on a couple of these for ear pieces, and this is nice and soft around the ear. I will do that and come right back. I'm back. I've got the ear pieces sewed on. I've got it completely done. Fits nice and soft. Now when you take a quick look at this, I know you're thinking it took a long time to make it and it looks a little bit lame, but I gotta tell you, it's comfortable, it's washable, and as long as we're staying at home, we got plenty of time to do stuff like this. And I know there are plenty of other videos where people do this. This is just my version, and hopefully this will help you if you decide to make a mask at home out of cotton. I did waste a good t-shirt though, but nowadays with the current conditions, it's a little scary going to the shopping center. So with this, at least I don't have quite as much stress. So thank you. Until the next video. Hello, Geo here. I would love to have you join me on this journey of reducing stress with creativity. So please consider clicking the subscribe button, which I think is right about here. Thank you. Goodbye.